Jec-jec Koolit. There's gummy egg and gummy heart. It's so squishy. It's so soft. I ate it. Smells like egg.
There's more. Yummy goodness. I'll get some water.
The bigger one. Smells like a bear one.
Hi, Jec-jec. So we're going to do another Easter egg challenge today. This time it's reading color words and coloring.
Smell like gummies.
What are you eating? Gummy bears?
I smell like gummies.
Oh, gummy eggs, gummy cola, gummy hearts, and gummy ring.
Is that the Easter eggs?
Is that one of the Easter eggs?
I think that's why this egg.
So, how do you play this game? You read the words. You must first read the words and then
Smell like the egg.
read the words and then pick a color based on the words. Okay? Can we start now? All right, let's begin. Start coloring. You said orange, right? Is that orange?
Like this.
I don't think that's orange.
Red.
That's red. Okay, you want to start with red? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Nice. Oh no, mommy's getting ahead of you. Oh no, mommy's almost done.
I'm done.
Okay, next color. Ding ding ding. What's that? What color is that?
Pink.
Okay. Which egg is pink? Oh, that one.
Enough na pink.
Hurry. Oh no, mommy's trying to get on you. Go, Jec-jec, go!
I done.
Are you done? Okay. Next color. What color is that?
Orange.
Orange?
Return the crayons after you.
Which egg is orange? That one? Okay.
Dada.
Go, just a little bit more.
It's done.
It's done.
I winner.
Put the crayons back.
The golden.
Purple.
Mina talk si mommy. Mina. I winner.
Next color.
Wait.
White. Can you see that?
I'm winner!
Next color.
Green.
Green. Hey, it must be pretty. Coloring must be smooth, okay? Okay.
I winner. Yellow.
Yellow. Color yellow. Go, go, go. Color the edges well. Oh, you're coloring too much. You're coloring out of bounds. Next color. Color is that?
Brown.
Brown. Where's brown?
Yeah.
There. Okay. Don't mind mommy. You will win. Don't worry. You can beat her.
Blue.
Blue. Are you sure that's blue? Almost. That was a close one. There's color inside the egg.
Black.
Go, go, go.
I'm done.
Wow! Can we check? Let's check with mommy's work. They're the same. Green, green, yellow, yellow, purple,
Maybe I'm green.
purple, brown, brown, black, black, orange, orange, pink,
pink,
white, white, blue, blue, red, red. Hooray! The winner is Jec-jec. You want to do some extra coloring? Put some designs. Use your imagination.
I think go color.
Get a crayon. Add some designs. Okay.
Again.
What do you want to draw?
I need
How about flower?
sun.
Sun? Color the inside of the sun. It's a purple sun.
There we go. How about you? Oh, I need green. I need big. I need big rainbows.
How about a butterfly?
Okay. It's the
Wow, that's so pretty. So colorful. Finishing touches. There we go. So
it's
nice.
so pretty. It's colorful.
It's an Easter egg.
It's for me.
Challenge is complete. Hey, look.
If they watch it, click the don't comment you. Please subscribe my channel. See you there. Bye bye.
Bye bye.